Lose stomach fat rapidly using these 7 kitchen ingredients. Ginger tea. Slice half a ginger into thin pieces. Boil a glass of water and add some ginger slices. Allow it to steep for 10 minutes, strain water to get rid of the ginger. Finally, to include honey or freshly squeezed lemon juice, according to preference. Almonds. Soak 68 almonds in water overnight. Peel them and also have them first factor each morning. Apple cider vinegar. To glass water, add 1 teaspoons of ACV. Drink this before you eat. Fresh lemon juice. To glass of warm water, squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Now add 1 teaspoon of honey for this mixture and blend well. You have to drink this concoction, the very first factor each morning.